Hello everyone, I am Ramon. Welcome back to Ramon at Home. I'm so excited you're here today, and I know I say that every day, but today really I am so excited because we're going shopping for items to put our little basket together for our guest room. Our friends are coming over to stay and I want to make them feel pampered, so we're gonna go out hunting for items to create a beautiful basket so they can feel right at home. And while we are out shopping, we're gonna stop at a very special place here in San Diego, so stay tuned. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with a friend. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing because 2019 will be a very exciting year. All right, let's go, but first I have to make breakfast. How about that little recipe I threw in for you guys? It is super simple to make and it is so yummy. After we had breakfast, it was time to go shopping. Let's go. All right, you guys, so we are done eating breakfast and we're getting ready to head out for the day. We're gonna go out shopping and I'm so excited because I get to take you to a very special place here in San Diego. It is called Balboa Park and it's in the middle of the city and it's just absolutely stunning. It's one of my favorite places and I really think that everybody should get to see it in person. So today you're coming along with me. All right, so we are on the move and we are real excited to finally have a day off where we can go and enjoy. Oh, are your seats warm? It is cold here in San Diego today. For some reason this week has been really cold. It's only 62 degrees, which for California standards is very cold. But every time that I think it's cold, I just remember that I used to live in Kansas, and then I'm like, oh, it's summer at 62 degrees. In my mind, I fake it to summer again. But let's go stop at Starbucks first. I really want to get maybe an not an iced tea, but maybe a green tea or a cup of latte or something fancy and frothy before we head into the stores. Stay tuned for more. I am in the toiletries section and I really think that some of these lotions and facial masks are a really good idea to put in a basket when you have people come over, perhaps their own loofah. I think I'm gonna take a loofah for them to put in the bathroom. Great idea for a guest basket. It's bottles of wine, and here in California we have wine at the grocery store. So I'm gonna pick a bottle for my friends and put it on their welcome basket so they can enjoy at the end of the night. Now that I have all the items I need to put that little welcome basket together, it is time to take you guys on a little field trip. I think you will love it. Let's go. We are at Balboa Park and this place is filled with beautiful buildings like the one behind me, and they're all museums. I think there must be about 25 museums and they're all fashioned in different places of the world, and the architecture is just amazing. So I'm gonna show you guys a few of my favorite museums here at Balboa Park, so stay tuned. Look at the detail on the architecture on this beautiful masterpiece. It is just so stunning to look at and I absolutely love being here. I feel so inspired. This is one of the places that I like to come when I'm feeling a little bit down and low on inspiration, because all you have to do is walk around and really take it all in. Let's continue walking and I'll show you a little bit more. All right, you guys, so I just want to show you this other section of the park. It really looks like a courtyard. It is so beautiful. There's a water fountain right in the middle. This guy just shooting water out of this really pretty pot. It's just absolutely gorgeous and inspiring. I love the fact that there's so many people enjoying it. It's just in the middle of the city. You would never think so because there's so much vegetation. I'm gonna go find that rose garden because I hear it really is beautiful. So stay tuned for more. Oh my God, you guys, look who I just ran into here at Balboa Park. None other than Mr. Santa. Isn't Balboa Park just beautiful? Like I told you guys, every time I'm down and I'm looking for inspiration, I just like to escape there and look at the architecture, look at the vegetation, look at all of the beauty that is in the middle of the city here in San Diego. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if you guys want to see more of San Diego. I can sneak in little clips here and there like this so you guys get to visit around San Diego. But now that we're back, it is time to put this little basket together, so let's go. All right, you guys, the very first thing I put in a welcome basket when I have people come stay with us, it's fresh tiles. The reason why is because one time I went to visit my cousin Wendy. If you're watching, you know this is a true story. And I went into the shower and I did not know where the towels were, and all I could find was washcloths. So I had to dry myself with washcloths. But I also like to add a few washcloths, so I just want to tuck them in right here. And then at the end of the night, I really like to refresh my face and moisturize it, so I went and got them a few masks so they can use at the end of the night after their shower. This I like because it's a green tea and it's a two-step, a cleanser and then a pore purifier. And this is just for under your eyes if you want to conceal your under eye. Then I'm gonna get some really pretty stemware that I have around the house, and I'm going to go ahead and just add 2 glasses right here so they can have themselves a glass of wine at the end of the night. And I picked a Zinfandel 2013 for them because I know this is my friend's favorite. So I'm just gonna add this bottle right here. And then if you're gonna put a bottle of wine on a welcome basket, always put a wine key because you don't want them to feel like they cannot touch the bottle of wine. So if there's a key, most likely it's for you to open. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this little slate right here to Christmasify it, and I'm gonna put some Christmas candy. I love this Ghirardelli. It's only once a year and it's white chocolate and peppermint candy. So I'm just gonna pour it all in here, and so that way they have a snack. And then to finish it off, I'm gonna put a pretty Christmas card and I'm gonna handwrite welcome home. We're so excited you're staying with us and sharing your holiday season with us, and to let them know that this is for them to use and welcome them into our home. So I'm just gonna tag this right here. So I wanna know, leave me a comment down below. I wanna know, what do you do for your guests when they come over to stay, whether they're family or friends? I really wanna read your comments, so leave me a comment down below. All right, everyone, that's all I have for today, and I really hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share with a friend. You can watch my home tour by clicking on this right here, or watch more videos by clicking right here. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing by clicking on this button right here. Follow me on my social media for daily Insta stories on Instagram. The links will be down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.